This is a 50 kVA brazing machine. These are the tongs. Here we are holding graphite electrodes. And this is a brazing machine having transformer, ampere meter, voltmeter, current selector switch, pump on off switch, timer, secondary cable connections, foot switch. Connect two lines of 3-phase to the back of the machine with one neutral and one earthing. Then put inlet and outlet of the pump inside the 200 drum and then switch on the machine as well as switch on the pump on off switch as well as the controller on off switch. Then you can hold the copper strips to be pressed in these two graphite electrodes and then you can start brazing. You can hold the copper strips to be pressed in between the graphite electrodes and then press the foot switch. After adjusting the parameters, you will start brazing the job. Just see. Apply flux on the job, then start hitting the job by pressing foot switch. Press the foot switch. Apply this silphos wire all around. You will see brazing taking place. जल्दी जल्दी करता है नहीं टाइम खत्म होने के बाद ये बाजू अंदर के साइड. This is how it is brazed. Now you can stop the current.